Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I forgot to film an intro, so I'm just filming it now because I'm in a rush. I need to go to town. Basically, this whole video is this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. Let me know what you think. Just remember, guys, I'm not a professional when it comes to makeup. Leave criticism, it is more than welcome. So the hair that I'm wearing currently actually is from a company called Ali Annabelle. They're a company on AliExpress. If you like the look, go check it out. It's a body wave Brazilian. Does that not look amazing? Tell me it doesn't. So soft. Like a baby's bottom. Anyway, guys, so this intro's getting a bit too long. So I'm going to leave you with this makeup look. Continue watching if you want to know how I achieved it. And yeah. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, so the first step is I take that Got2b glue and I put it on my forehead. Guys, can we just appreciate how big my forehead is for a second? And then I just take the blow dryer and I just blow it until it's tacky. So the next step is I try to place the wig where the glue is and stick it down so it stays all day. So I just take that blow dryer and I just blow dry the top just so it lays down. So I'm going to take the NYX, is it NYX or NYX contour shade? And I put that in the part so it blends in closer to my skin color. So the next step I take my Smashbox primer and I just put that all over my face. Just in case if you guys are wondering, I have written every single product. So then I take the Makeup Revolution brow pomade and then I fill in my brows the way I like it. Shape your eyebrows how you like it, girls. As you guys know, I love Smashbox, so I take their concealer and then I outline my eyebrows and highlight at the same time. In case you guys are wondering, I have written every single product I have used at the bottom. So I take the Makeup Revolution Life on the Dance Floor palette and these are the colours I used. So I used the colour Up All Night in my crease and then I went in with the Breakfast in Bed. What a lovely name. And I put that just underneath my crease just to blend it in a bit more because I am using dark colours. So then I use Black Cab on my outer eye to kind of create like a smoky eye look. And then on my lid, I just go in with the colour Last Call. I'm just curious, who does make up the names for these eyeshadows? Because they're bloody amazing. I would love an eyeshadow colour called Chico. What colour would it be though? That's my question, guys. What colour would you make an eyeshadow called Chico? So then I go in with my eyeliner, the NYX one. Is it NYX or NYX? And then I just take some mascara and I put that all over my lashes. So I've been trying these new Real Techniques makeup brushes. And guys, Real Techniques, I'm not impressed. Why is it falling apart? I did not pay £20 for that, so I just go in with my usual foundation and like I said, it's all down below. So the next step, I just take that same concealer and I use it to highlight underneath my eyes, cover up any dark circles because guys, I have not been sleeping and I got a lot of them. I'm trying to fake some cheekbones because I've got very chubby cheeks, so fake it till you make it, guys. Fake it till you make it. And I just take my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and I just blend away. Like I said in my last video, guys, blending is your best friend. If you don't have a best friend, make blending your best friend. So normally I would bake, but I'm not feeling the baking this summer, so I just took that Makeup Revolution Terracotta shade and I just use it to set where I put my concealer. Not to bake, to set. So I'm going to go back in with that same contour shade and actually contour this time. And I'm back again with that Real Techniques blush. This is the powder brush and I just go in with my MAC powder and then I just blend all the harsh lines, guys, because I don't want to be going out looking like a clown. Blend away. Okay guys, is it NYX or NYX? Because I don't know. But the lip shade I've used is down below, like I've said. final step, I'm just going to take that NYX NYX setting spray and put that all over my face. So yeah guys, this is the final makeup look. Let me know what you think. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I am not a professional, and everything I have used is on the description bar below. Can we just take a moment to appreciate this wig, guys? It is looking flawless. Damn, girl. Summer, are you ready for me? I don't think it is, because this hair, I am feeling myself, guys. So if you guys want to know where I got this hair, it's from Ali Annabelle, and I'll leave the link down below. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think of this look. And guys, follow me on Instagram so you can see how I posed with this hair, feeling myself. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye.